renewable energy and non-renewable energy consumption, CO2 emissions and economic expansion Nexus, further evidence from Kenya. This article is written by Naftali Jaisormos. Contribution and originality of the study is that, despite increased demand and utilization of oil products and electricity in Kenya, the rate of economic growth is still lower than the rate of energy consumption. To date, no study that focuses on the causality relationship between energy use, CO2 emissions, and real GDP with respect to Kenya has been carried out. Thus, the purpose of this study is filling the gap. This research scrutinizes economic expansion, CO2 emissions and energy utilization relationship in Kenya by using FMOL's estimate. This study considers the causality matters among oil, non-renewable, electricity, renewable, use, CO2 emissions, and GDP growth in Kenya by employing time series techniques and annual data for the period 1980 to 2017. The obtained empirical results from this study indicate that CO2 emissions and electricity affect negatively economic expansion while oil consumption affects it positively. The Granger causality test concludes that there is no causal relationship running from economic expansion to CO2 emissions, which means that economic expansion can continue without escalating CO2 discharge. However, the study finds unidirectional causality running from economic expansion to oil and electricity energy use, which implies that Kenya should make an effort to triumph over the constraint on oil and electricity utilization to achieve economic expansion. Thanks for watching this abstract video of Energy Economics Letters Volume 4 Issue Number 4.